Welcome to the future of job hunting. This video is a comprehensive guide to the best AI resume builders in 2026, designed to help you navigate the modern talent market. In 2026, the first hurdle isn't a person, but an advanced applicant tracking system, or ATS. Think of it as the digital gatekeeper, determining if your application even reaches a human recruiter. To succeed, you'll need a strategy. This includes ATS optimized for keyword density, creative design for visual roles, or full management to integrate tracking and tailoring for high-volume searches. Rezi is the ATS specialist, widely considered the gold standard for compliance. Key features include the Rezi score, real-time 23 criteria analysis, and safe templates that guarantee parsing by major ATS platforms. Teal is the organizer, functioning as a career command center for complex pipelines. Its job tracker and dynamic tailoring features allow you to manage and customize your applications efficiently. Kickresume is the creative option, perfect for high-speed drafting without sacrificing visual impact. It uses GPT 4.1 architecture and offers over 40 designer templates, including the ability to auto-generate a personal website. Wobo is the value leader, offering advanced tools at zero cost. It provides 24-metric health checks, STAR framework automation, and AI persona technology for consistent tailoring across all your documents. Resume Worded functions as the coach, focusing on improvement over just building. It offers a LinkedIn scan to optimize your digital presence and a recruiter view to simulate the crucial 6-second scan. Here is a comparison matrix of the top AI builders. Wobo is best for the budget-conscious, Rezi for corporate ATS compliance, Teal for job management, Kickresume for creative roles, and Resume Worded for LinkedIn optimization. Mastering the STAR method is crucial. This involves defining the situation and task, using high-impact action verbs, and quantifying the result. Remember, numbers are the data points that secure interviews in 2026. The 80/20 rule suggests that 62% of hiring managers can detect AI-only resumes due to a lack of voice. Use AI for 80% of the heavy lifting, but spend 20% of your time manually editing for authenticity. Are you ready for 2026? Don't let the algorithm decide your future. Master these tools to master the search.